everybody, welcome to a wet and windy Cornwall. I'm Jim the IT guy. This is just a quick little video as I got back to find that one of the UPSs I use to keep all my kit running is in need of some new batteries. As we can see here, it's none too happy, although it's saying the batteries are fine. They keep flicking in and out, so it's time for a new battery pack. This is just a quick little video showing how easy it is actually to change batteries on a UPS and actually change the battery pack out for a new set of batteries to save yourself a bit of money. New battery pack for the UPSs I've got is in excess of £400 from the manufacturer, whereas a set of replacement cells for the actual battery is about 80 quid off of the good old eBay. So just a quickie run through on changing the batteries. As you can see from here, it's the battery pack that's currently in my UPS is reporting as okay, but it randomly starts beeping, so there's obviously a fault with one of the cells inside that is causing it. Anyway, let's get on with it. Now this is the actual faulty battery in the UPS itself. Normally obviously you'd see these size UPSs at the bottom of server racks, but I make use of them. Say that very simple. Say you can normally do this actually with the UPS powered on, but I've turned it off now because it's easier to get at. But yes, say this is the battery we'll be replacing. So obviously you can see this is a SmartUPS. Yeah, SmartUPS SUA. We'll show it. SmartUPS 3000, it's an older model, it's got the old-fashioned lights rather than the LCD panel now, but again, fairly easy, just that pulls out there, tuck it out the way, and it's just 3 screws, that one, and that one, and the battery pack slides out. I'll just get that out now. Now this is a SmartUPS 3000 battery pack. This is the, as you can see, we've got the cells tucked in here, here. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 actual battery cells in this pack. So you can see them individually there. So it's now just a case of undoing 4 screws to get the cover off the top. So there's one there, one down here, one down here. If you are doing this, be careful. These battery packs are pretty heavy. Most of the weight of these units, say it's the full length almost of the actual APC UPS, and yes, they are not the lightest things, but let's get it dismantled and show you the insides. So what we can also see on these is they are configured in 48 volts with basically batteries connected positive, negative, and same here, positive, negative, all the way up, just so you are aware. Don't want to get that wrong. Will go pop, but just make sure that you install and remove in the same order, so to speak. So if you take note that the red wire for this, the positive for this side, is connected down here and down here, and the negative is here and here, which gives the battery pack 48 volts, but obviously it gives you a reasonable capacity to keep your computers on in the event of a power failure. Normally, I say these units of this size would be normally used to keep servers going, so not too common in the home, but they're free, so I wasn't out of the battery pack. Joiners, so you can see inside is other end of the connector that connects it to the main unit. We've got the positive connections there and there for each pack. Got the link back to the other battery that sits in each side. Now I will go and dispose of these. So if you have these, any batteries, obviously dispose of them sensibly in somewhere that can recycle them, and make sure that you're disposing of them in the correct way. New fresh batteries. This kit courtesy of from can't see it, upstrader.co.uk, www.ups-trader.co.uk. I've had a few things from there in the past, but yeah, new batteries to go in, and so I will just debox them now. Bit of excitement. I accidentally connected that connector to there and that connector to there, which shorted that one and that one, but they should be fine. But hence the slight rearrangement, but there you go. New batteries in, make sure they're all sat correctly. We'll just get the lid back on it, plug it in and make sure that the battery is actually operating and taking a charge, and we'll go from there. So, battery back in. Obviously, IT rule, don't screw it together till you've tested it. Obviously, this being one of the larger rack mounted UPS, has a 16 amp socket or 16 amp plug, which, make sure we get it the right way. Nice resounding clonk. And the fan's on, which is good. I'm reporting a full battery, which is even better. See if we can get it to a test. Now what I will probably do with this unit is leave it to charge overnight, do a calibration on it, and a unit of this size for what I use them for, these last a good hour, if not more, running not a lot of load. But they were free, so all is good. Let me get it back in its place, and everything that was plugged in powered back up again, and we'll go from there. Right, there we go. Battery replaced, and as we can see on here, back online. So this is an older version of the management, but I'm not complaining. But you can actually see now. Let's have get this back on, because when the battery fails on these, they start to beep and it gets annoying. Anyway, get that back up to every 14 days for a self-test. And turn the alarm. Back on. And I can now put that it's had a battery replacement in October 2019. Again, always useful to keep this up to date, say even if you're not planning on keeping the UPS, because it's just nice to know. But again, not a lot has been done on this UPS. Let's just do a quick self-test. Nice resounding clonk and the fan spins up. Sounds good, fan's still spinning, and it's clicked back over. There we go, self-test passed, and I'll do a calibration after it's been on overnight, but there we go. It's not too difficult to do. Allow you to keep hold of what is a fairly expensive UPS, and keep it going for a bit longer. They say the actual battery unit is still in use today on the modern APC 3000 series UPSs, so it's still a perfectly valid battery pack to swap over, and hopefully that will be of use to some people who've got some of these UPSs but have never swapped the batteries over. It's not too dangerous, just don't connect them around the wrong way. Anyway, I've been Jim the IT guy. I hope this has been useful to you. If you like my videos, please give them a like. If not, give them a down. But hopefully I'll be able to bring you some more, and please give me a subscribe if it's useful to you. Until next time, many thanks.